What's going on, everybody? So I wasn't sure if I wanted to do this video or not, but I want to ask a huge favor from every one of you, all my subscribers, whoever sees this video, like a huge favor. Share this video everywhere you can share it, because we need to warn others about what this guy is doing and has been doing for over 10 years. Just check out these 1-star reviews. What's going on, everybody? So I just stumbled upon the old Instagram Pinnacle, or at scam.pinnacle credit management, and these reviews are pretty amazing, honestly, and the comments, they're pretty good too. Get in touch with us, please. We're gathering evidence. And then look at the bottom, one of those made up accounts again. Whoever made this account is for sure a degenerate loser. Who have we heard say that before? Super jealous. Who have we heard say that before? This is crazy, y'all. This is crazy. But wait, there's more. Well, look. It's Andrea. I'll give y'all enough time to read this, or you can just pause it, whichever you prefer. We got to get this out there, people. This guy has been doing this for years. This was 149 weeks ago. Sorry about how blurry this is, y'all, but I have yet to learn how to record my computer screen, which is kind of sad, but hopefully y'all can read all of this. Again, if you need to pause it, just go ahead and pause it. I tell you, it just keeps getting better and better. 149 weeks ago, it talks about him running to Vietnam to get out of the jail in USA after scamming people. Come on, you can't make this up. There's the web browser. Not Georgia, where it's illegal to do credit repair without an attorney. This is just crazy, y'all. And another one. 6 months, nothing was done. Pause it if you need to. And I think we can all agree this one's definitely him, because he likes to brag about making money on one little phone call. But as you can see, it's a fake agreement to draw people in. Again, pause if you need to. Look, somebody else talking about him hitting his ex-girlfriend. Wow, stealing money. I can't say I'm surprised, guys. Maybe y'all are. Should call this 1-star credit repair. That's a good name. Pinnacle 1-star credit repair. You gotta be one sick motor joker to scam your own mother. You know how sick that is? That is crazy. Crazy. Y'all remember how he loves to talk about old John and all the Johns he has? I bet he don't like this John. Took $750 from him. And I think we all agree he does need to go to jail. And he is the biggest fraud. So this is what I was talking about the fake reviews. So he claims the 1-star reviews are fake and the 5-star reviews are real, when it's actually backwards. All the 5-star reviews are fake from people that have never dealt with him But the 1-star reviews, they're actually real. Come on, man, you gotta give them a refund. I guess you don't if your agreements are fake. So again, if y'all have any questions or concerns about this video, please leave them in the comments. This is not just about me versus him, him versus me. This is me trying to protect the people that have already been scammed and the people that could potentially get scammed by this guy. So please, please share this video everywhere you can. It don't take but a couple minutes to do that. Let's take this scammer down. Let's be done with him. Y'all have a great night.